All right, welcome to our third hydraulic arm video here. In this video, what you'll need is you will need the last 4 syringes. You'll also need the rubber band that's provided. For those who are part of the hybrid group, I did not provide these in the kits. You'll need to come pick them up. And you'll need 3 of the part 18s that look like, you can say like ninja stars. You'll also need 2 of these white washers, O-rings. You'll need the, I believe this one is the, let's see, how long is this? Let me get my ruler. This is the 2.5-inch dowel rod. You'll also need part number 6. You'll need the previously constructed base. And you'll need the previously constructed arm here. I made a mistake in the last video. I forgot to mention that we needed the O-rings in this. So what I want you to do is unscrew these 2. So this screw and this screw, undo them. I'm gonna put the O-rings in between. What we're gonna do here is we're actually gonna put the O-rings on it here, like this. Make sure you can fasten it again, right? And then put the other O-ring on here as well. There we go. And then what you want to do is just screw it on as we did before, just have a spacer there. So what we're going to do is we're going to screw it all the way on. So make sure that you are screwing these in properly. I'm just taking my time to make sure that it's done. That's interesting. That's the there we go. Taking a little bit of time, but okay, we got it. So let's screw this back on. There we go. And that should be good. And then I do the second one here. Make sure to, I had the washers flipped, so there's a certain direction that the washers go. So apologies. And then I'm just going to screw this one in as well back. There we go. Now it's working. So there's a certain direction that the washers can go, and you just have to try it out. All right, so now that makes the arm done. You need those spacers in there. Next portion, what I want you to do is I want you to grab the part 3, right? And what I want you to do is what you need to do is you need to glue this piece onto here. And so what you need to do is make sure that on the side that is kind of bent, you need to make sure that the piece here is matched with the edge of that line, that laser cut line here. So the edge of this piece is going to be right there. You're going to glue that on right here in this position. It's going to look like this. Okay, we're going to glue that and make sure that that's ready for the next video. Next, what we need to do is we need to open up the syringes. And from here, what we need to do is need to make sure that we are keeping this all together. So what I want you to do is we're going to put one of these up near the front. All right. Up near the front. And then you're going to put one in between here in the back, right behind it. And then lastly, you need one right here. So you're basically going to be sandwiching the back together, like you see, and then the front done like this. So these two will be holding on to these syringe lips right here. They will be sandwiching those right here, and all around. And what you're going to do is you're going to grab the rubber band, and you're going to rubber band them all together. Okay. In addition to this, what you need to do is you need to put the dowel rod all the way through it. So you need to make sure that the dowel rod is put through the center. There we go. And so you just need to make sure that the dowel rod is pushed through and put at the edge of it as such. So in the end, it should look like this. With the rubber band in the center, you can do it 2 or 3 times. Make sure that it's nice and secured. But the dowel rod, you should be keeping the 2 ends at the ends of the dowel rod. All right. So that's how you prepare the plunger system that we'll be using.